Tell me any problem your body is facing: fatigue, mood swings, skin issues, gut problems, hormonal imbalance, low immunity, or any lifestyle disease. All of these have one root cause, and the solution is also just one thing: the sun, sunlight. That's exactly what we are going to talk about in detail in today's video. Did you know we just don't take sunlight, we actually eat sunlight? Yes, not through the mouth, but through our skin, eyes, and cells in many different ways. The sun doesn't only give us light, it gives us information. Every photon, every particle of light enters your body and creates a biochemical magic. If you learn how to receive this energy correctly, sunlight can completely reset your mood, hormones, and energy. Today, I'll talk about 5 magical pathways through which sunlight transforms your health, brain, and emotions. In ancient times, people worshipped the sun, not just for light, but for energy. It's time to bring that ancient wisdom back so we can put a full stop to many modern diseases. If you watch this video until the end, I guarantee you will gain a solution and an understanding that can help you tackle almost any problem in your body. So don't enjoy this video alone. Share the link with as many people as you can. Let's begin. The 5 magical pathways through which sunlight enters your body. First is your skin, the solar panel of our body. Our skin isn't ordinary, it's like a solar panel. So when UVB sunlight touches your skin, it activates a chemical that helps your body make vitamin D3. Then your liver and kidneys turn it into the active form of vitamin D that your body can actually use. That's it. From sunlight, we get vitamin D3 that turns into active vitamin D in our body. Vitamin D is not just for bones. Vitamin D boosts immunity, helps you absorb calcium, and regulates your mood. When you stay away from sunlight, the body goes into a backup mode. Low energy, more fatigue, poor immunity, and a low mood. Your skin is the biggest pathway, and bare skin exposure, especially on your upper back, produces the most vitamin D. So stay tuned. Your simple morning sunlight routine is coming up in just a moment. Second is your eyes. Your eyes are your second pathway, your body's master clock. Morning sunlight tells your body, "Good morning, start the engine." Morning sunlight triggers cortisol, natural wake up hormone. It also activates serotonin, the happy hormone. And in the evening, serotonin converts into melatonin, the deep sleep hormone. If you miss the morning sun, you may notice tiredness, brain fog, low focus, and poor sleep at night. So, just 10 minutes of morning sunlight can completely reset your circadian rhythm. Third, your cells, the mitochondrial pathway. Sunlight doesn't stop at the skin. Near infrared light penetrates 3 to 4 centimeters into your body and reaches your mitochondria, your cellular power plants. A special enzyme called cytochrome C oxidase absorbs this light and helps create ATP energy. Your cells literally work like solar batteries. What's the benefit? More energy, less inflammation, faster healing, and less fatigue. If you stay indoors all day, you naturally start feeling dull and low. That's why dark, rainy days often feel so gloomy. Fourth pathway, your brain, for mood, focus, and mental health. Sunlight heals the mind too. It increases serotonin, your happy hormone, which lifts your mood, reduces anxiety, and enhances focus. At night, serotonin turns into melatonin, which gives you deep, restful sleep. Just 15 minutes of morning sun can increase serotonin levels by up to 200%. Morning sunlight is like a reset button for your brain. Fifth, your energy, the spiritual pathway. Sunlight has a spiritual side too. Every ray of sun has a frequency that connects directly with your emotions. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Mayans, and Indian sages worshipped the sun, not just for devotion, but for enlightenment. Sunlight cleanses your energy field, activates your solar chakra, and boosts confidence, willpower, and self belief. Morning sunlight gives masculine energy, it drives clarity and motivation. Evening sunlight gives feminine energy, calm, gratitude, and surrender. So, together, they balance your yin and yang energies. This is why sitting in the sun instantly uplifts your mood. Sunlight doesn't just shine outside, it lights something inside you too. So here's your daily sunlight routine. Best time for sunlight in the morning, in the evening around sunset. That's the second best time. What should be the duration? 10 to 20 minutes. No sunscreen, no sunglasses, light cotton clothing. How to receive sunlight? Walk, do some yoga or deep breathing or meditation, or just sit calmly where sunlight hits your skin. Avoid harsh midday sunlight. And let's say if you live where there is little sun, even cloudy daylight is 10 times brighter than indoor light. So sit near a window whenever possible. Use light therapy lamps around 10,000 lux if needed, and add more fresh air, deep breathing, and movement in your routine. Try it and tell me in the comments how you felt. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends, because if you have health, you have everything. I'll see you soon.